So slow this shit down.
Cold winds blow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool like the winter breeze. Spit is sickening 16. It's colder than 16 degrees. My boots got the temperament trees, and my roots is up north in the state of 16. Look, they sing it to say the way I'm playing the beat. They can say whatever they like as long as they pay the fee. Jesus Martinez deserves to be in the major leagues. Heavy Village is the label that's on our latest release. Killing it, took the beat and made it deceased. That's why they used to call me murderer, but now I'm just me. Mike Martinez with the cleanest verses you ever seen. Tell my music like a movie, how I do it indeed. That's my word to my scenes, my lyrics you couldn't read. They too advanced. These cats ain't quite up to speed. When Mike touched the beat, I slice up MCs and turn them from a up and coming to a tired beat. And ain't that something?
Hands up.
After all my run, it's been a long time coming, but the world keeps spinning,
Or does it?
and the clock keeps ticking, and the cold winds blow, and you don't know, but you gotta keep
Yo, it's hard to keep your focus around all these control freaks and bogus. It's like poking a hornet's nest or walking on eggshells, cords wrapped around your chest. It makes it hard to breathe.
Part of me dealing with my dog too.
Show you the art of how to lead. Y'all the hell with it, deal. You disrespect family. Most make metal squill, but that's never how I feel. Got to live and live, so much anger in my head. Got me ready to give in. Kept myself slipping every season, Christmas to Thanksgiving. This is oil kills cancer. This soil grows the answer. Let your food be your medicine, and your medicine be your food. Got a lot of friends brainwashed by the boom boom. That's cool. Adios, fool. Hope you enjoy your new tablet. While I think rain on stone tablets, recognize factual magic with the potential of the habit.
Now ain't that something? After all my run, it's been a long time coming, but the world keeps spinning,
Or does it?
and the clock keeps ticking, and the cold winds blow, and you don't know, but you gotta keep going.
How y'all feeling? How y'all feeling by the bar out there? Y'all feeling good over there? Yes, sir.
Again, I like how you've inserted that little flat earther question. That's like, I guess that's a part of that song now. That's the second show he's done that at. I like it. I fucks with that.
Does it spin?